Hi, and welcome to this lecture on adding and removing columns of Pandas DataFrame. So, we're going to start by seeing how to add a new column. Let's say I want to add a new column, which is going to be the combination of total expenses and sales. Then, I'm going to say data with the column index of total underscore expenses plus data with the index of sales. Then I'm going to set all of these in a new variable called new underscore column and then run the cell. Now, if we take a look at our new underscore column, then we can see that we got back a series, which is the combination of sales and total expenses. So now we're going to add this series to our data frame, which is data, then the column name of new underscore column, and then run the cell. Now, if we take a look at our data, then we can see that we got back a new column of new underscore column, which is the addition of total expenses and sales. So this is how we add columns in Pandas. Now, let's now look at removing a particular column from a data frame. Let's assume we don't want the product and market size column. So to remove this, we're going to use the drop method on our Pandas data frame. We're going to say data.drop method, and we want to drop the columns, which is equals to the list of column names we want to drop from our data frame. So I want to delete the product column, comma, and then the market size. So if we run the cell, then we get back our data frame without those columns. Again, don't forget to note that these changes are not made to our original data frame. When I say data and then run the cell, then we still get back the product and market size column. So to apply these changes to our original data frame, I'm going to add a comma and then pass in place equals to true and then run the cell. Again, when I run our data frame, then we no longer have the product and the sales columns. However, another interesting way is using the index parameter to drop rows of data. Let's say I want to drop the entire data from the first row of our data frame. Then we're going to say data.drop. In between the parentheses, we're going to say index equals to the value of index we want to drop from our data frame, which is 0, and then run the cell. Now we can see that we no longer have the data from the first row of our data frame. So this wraps up our tutorial on adding and removing rows and columns of data from Pandas DataFrame. So in the next lecture, we're going to be looking at sorting data in Pandas. I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.